Y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so finally we get to see the full spoilers to the June Ultimate Bag. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no videos or spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the full spoilers for the Ipsy June Plus bag. Well, thank you so much, Chelsea Brennan. Chelsea says, yay, full spoilers. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, I love full spoilers too, Chelsea. And yeah, honey, I'm doing pretty good. I hope you're doing well, Chelsea. And I really appreciate you having that bell on. And I really appreciate you watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment. You're going to get 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to get the first comment, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now first of all, let's throw up this bag. And again, this is for the full spoilers. This is the bag for the June GlamBag Ultimate Bag. And guys, y'all know my opinion on this bag. I meant what I said and I said what I meant. They could do better. I didn't like these bags, but I do have July bags up if you want to go see that video. And I do have some spoilers for July too that I need to get up after these. For those of you that are new, that don't know this, I just throw these spoilers up here for y'all to see them. I don't name off every product for the full spoilers because there's always too many of them for me to name. So I just slap them up here for y'all to see. And most of the time, everybody already knows what they got. So if you would comment below, what did you get in your June bag? Did you get any add-ons? You know, I'm not just half nosy, I'm full nosy. And so are my subscribers. So we want to know everything that you got. And if there's any products that you missed out on that you wanted to get but you didn't get, let us know what those items were. And, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Allie Bow. Allie says, that bag, with that emoji. Allie, I totally agree. I see where you're going with this, honey. But, yeah, I'm going to have to agree with you. I did not like these bags. I'm telling you. Damn, they should hire me up there at the Ipsy. But anyways, Allie, I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got none. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.